Surah, number 63, of Quran Majeed. The Hypocrites.
Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
إذا جاءك المنافقون قالوا نشهد إنك لرسول الله والله يعلم إنك لرسوله والله يشهد إن المنافقين لكاذبون.
When the hypocrites come to you, they say, "We bear witness that you are indeed the apostle of Allah." Allah knows that you are indeed his apostle, and Allah bears witness that the hypocrites are indeed liars.
اتخذوا أيمانهم جنة فصدوا عن سبيل الله إنهم ساء ما كانوا يعملون.
They make a shield of their oaths, and bar from the way of Allah. Evil indeed is what they used to do.
ذلك بأنهم آمنوا ثم كفروا فطبع على قلوبهم فهم لا يفقهون.
That is because they believed and then disbelieved, so their hearts were sealed. Hence, they do not understand.
وَإِذَا رَأَيْتَهُمْ تُعْجِبُكَ أَجْسَامُهُمْ وَإِنْ يَقُولُوا تَسْمَعْ لِقَوْلِهِمْ كَأَنَّهُمْ خُشُبٌ مُّسَنَّدَةٌ يَحْسَبُونَ كُلَّ صَيْحَةٍ عَلَيْهِمْ هُمُ الْعَدُوُّ فَاحْذَرْهُمْ قَاتَلَهُمُ اللَّهُ أَنَّى يُؤْفَكُونَ.
When you see them, their bodies impress you, and if they speak, you listen to their speech. Yet they are like dry logs set reclining against a wall. They suppose every cry is directed against them. They are the enemy, so beware of them. May Allah assail them. Where do they stray?
وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمْ تَعَالَوْا يَسْتَغْفِرْ لَكُمْ رَسُولُ اللَّهِ لَوَّوْا رُؤُوسَهُمْ وَرَأَيْتَهُمْ يَصُدُّونَ وَهُمْ مُسْتَكْبِرُونَ.
When they are told, "Come, that Allah's apostle may plead for forgiveness for you," they twist their heads, and you see them turn away disdainfully.
سواء عليهم أستغفرت لهم أم لم تستغفر لهم لن يغفر الله لهم إن الله لا يهدي القوم الفاسقين.
It is the same for them whether you plead for forgiveness for them, or do not plead for forgiveness for them. Allah will never forgive them. Indeed, Allah does not guide the transgressing lot.
هم الذين يقولون لا تنفقوا على من عند رسول الله حتى ينفضوا ولله خزائن السماوات والأرض ولكن المنافقين لا يفقهون.
They are the ones who say, "Do not spend on those who are with the apostle of Allah until they scatter off from around him." Yet to Allah belong the treasuries of the heavens and the earth, but the hypocrites do not understand.
يقولون لئن رجعنا إلى المدينة ليخرجن الأعز منها الأذل ولله العزة ولرسوله وللمؤمنين ولكن المنافقين لا يعلمون.
They say, "When we return to the city, the mighty will surely expel the weak from it. Yet all might belongs to Allah and His Apostle and the faithful, but the hypocrites do not know.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تلهكم أموالكم ولا أولادكم عن ذكر الله ومن يفعل ذلك فأولئك هم الخاسرون.
O you who have faith! Do not let your possessions and children distract you from the remembrance of Allah, and whoever does that, it is they who are the losers.
وأنفقوا مما رزقناكم من قبل أن يأتي أحدكم الموت فيقول رب لولا أخرتني إلى أجل قريب فأصدق وأكن من الصالحين.
Spend out of what we have provided you before death comes to any of you, whereat he might say, My Lord, why did you not respite me for a short time so that I could give charity and become one of the righteous?
وَلَن يُؤَخِّرَ اللَّهُ نَفْسًا إِذَا جَاءَ أَجَلُهَا وَاللَّهُ خَبِيرٌ بِمَا تَعْمَلُونَ.
But Allah will never respite anyone when his time has come, and Allah is well aware of what you do.